Thermalock technology 24 hours cold, 10 hours cold. Removable spout unscrews from body for easy cleaning and adding ice. Carry handle. BPA-free water bottle. Leak-proof water bottle. Thermalock technology 24 hours cold, 10 hours cold. Removable spout unscrews from body for easy cleaning and adding ice. Carry handle. BPA-free water bottle. Lifetime warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Awesome and vehicle friendly. I purchased the simple modern 17 ounces and the Contigo Thermalock 20 ounces at the same time. I've been using a hard plastic Dasani water bottle over and over and wanted a suitable, safer real water bottle. I'm very happy with both of the bottles I purchased. I did go with stainless exterior to avoid any of the paint chipping dings that some reviews had mentioned. Both of these bottles are excellent for my purpose. I can fill both with cold water, add a couple of ice cubes, and both will easily remain cold throughout the day. I've even discovered ice cube remnants the following day. The SM bottle is shorter, bigger around and contains a slightly less amount of liquid. The SM bottle mouth is wider and the lid cap comes completely off when unscrewed, so don't lose your lid. The Thermalock is taller and the lid is tethered to the side of the bottle neck once you unscrew it. Both bottles easily fit into my truck cup holders. Anything with a larger capacity probably isn't going to work sufficiently in a vehicle cup holder. Both bottles are leak-proof when tipped, thus far. Note that the taller, thinner Thermalock can be top-heavy in a cup holder. All in all, both bottles are 5 stars emo.